In my last video, I used the manual pattern drawing tool for the more common case in which point C was in the middle of the AB range. And in that case, it would be something along the lines of this. There's not a valid pattern here, but this is where you have point C falls within the AB range. In that situation, you want to draw from point C up to X. Now, in the opposite case, where you have point C beyond the A point, in this case, you can see how this C it goes up, and we have a lower low. Well, in that situation, we want to actually draw from point A and then go to the right of where we want point C to be, and then at the price point where we want X to be. Now this method is a little more complicated, but once you do it a couple times, it's extremely straightforward. So again, this edge here has to be to the right of where you want point C to be, and then if I go up and down, you can see point X is simply pushing further left and trying to find a higher high to where you want point X to be. Now if I were to, I could adjust point A to be over here. I can move that to there, move to here. Now this is no longer, the reason why it doesn't go further to the left here is because this is a lower low than our A point. So this is as far as it can go to look for an X and still be valid. Otherwise, because this is lower, otherwise it wouldn't be valid. So that's why you move that back over there. You can see it found a pattern here. Market came up, it touched our level, and outputted the T there. So I just wanted to create this quick video to show the other type of video, again, the other type of pattern, but this is a little less common than most of the other pattern types where point C is in the middle of the AB range. But you can see how it was pretty simple to do, and I can simply adjust it back to this one just as quickly as that. And as you saw, you're only telling it these 2 points, and it's automatically finding point B, point C. It's determining the XAB retracement percentage, the ABC retracement percentage. Is doing all these calculations, doing all the comparisons with our defined patterns, and seeing if there's anything valid, and then it outputs it here. So if you have any questions, please email me at daniel@updown.com. That's daniel@uppdnn.com. Best success in your trading.